Oh, come by a gyroplane from... Hey guys, Henry from Adventure Air here. Oh, okay, I'll stop. And hey, I just want to remind you that we have lots of gyroplanes for sale, and we are changing the inventory all the time. I've just sold 3 or 4 gyros in the last couple of weeks. If you go to the website, gyrosforsale.com, that's F-O-R, not the number 4, gyrosforsale.com, you can see our latest inventory. If one of the gyros is pending sale, I'll put pending sale. Doesn't necessarily means that it's sold, just means that someone is interested and put a deposit down on it, but sometimes those fall out. So if you see a gyro that you like on the website, gyrosforsale.com, give us a call, and we can talk to you about that. And if you see one that you like, make us an offer on it, and get yourself a gyroplane, and we'll also throw in some training for you. Just let us know. Also, don't forget, if you are a gyro owner and you want to get a rotor balance, we're doing lots of rotor balancing now. We have our master rotor balancer, Jimmy, the guy with the crazy mustache. And he is a guru of the black art of rotor balancing. And you can come out here to Chino, or sometimes he'll fly to you and do a rotor balance. So just let us know. So, Adventure Air, woo! We'll see ya.
Hey everybody, welcome to Adventure Air. It's Jeremy, and I got Jimmy here, the pilot extraordinaire, CFI, and master rotor balancer. Right now we are flying in the area around the airport, and kind of in the general area where I live and stuff like that. Want to show you why people come to Adventure Air in Chino, California here to fly with us. It's because a lot of reasons actually. We're centrally located in Southern California. We're really close, about 15 minutes away from Ontario Airport. We're less than an hour away from the beaches and the mountains and lakes and rivers and even Disneyland, if that's your flavor. We are close to LA, but not so close to where you have to deal with LA traffic or anything like that. When people come in to visit us from out of state or out of the area, and they're going to fly in commercially, we tell them to come in towards Ontario Airport, and then either we can pick them up or they can Uber or get a rental car and come over to Adventure Air here at Chino Airport. But you know, it's great because we're local, we're centrally located. We've got Victoria Gardens. We've got a lot of shopping and all sorts of stuff nearby. Great restaurants. A lot of tourism stuff to go see too. If you want to spend more time than just getting an add-on rating, stuff like that. You come to us, you can get an add-on rating, you can get your full sport gyro, or you can do private, commercial, and even full CFI gyroplane if that's what you want to do. We have the instructors here to do it all for you. One of the other great reasons that people come here is because our weather. We average about 280 days plus of VFR conditions a year. So we don't have thunderstorms or tornadoes or sleet or snow or hail or anything like that that's going to keep you on the ground. We do get gusty winds occasionally, but you know what? If they're not too bad, that's the best time to fly because it really makes you a good gyro pilot. Isn't that right, Jimmy?
That's true, and you also forgot we don't have hurricanes like where I come from, Florida. Yeah. I think there was one last week. There was one in Jamaica. There's one. Oh, there's probably one right now, and if not, there will be. But you won't have to enjoy it if you come out here to California.
That's right. That's right. So what we're going to do is we're kind of flying over, and I've taken some B-roll and stuff, kind of showing you the local area of Chino, and we're flying over right now where I'm from, where I live actually, and we'll get you some external shots of that, kind of see what our area is like. Another interesting fact is the area, the Inland Empire, where Chino is commonly referred to as the Texas of California. So if you know anything about Texas, you know what that's like, and it's not a bad thing actually. The city right next to us is called Norco, Eastvale and Norco. And Norco, they're famous for rodeos and horses. It's called Horsetown, USA. So we got a lot of horses there, a lot of ranches and stuff like that. With the area we're going to go fly over right now, we got some wineries. So if you're a wine enthusiast and you want to come out and get some lessons under your belt, you'll come out here and you can go visit the wineries. We also have the largest Native American casino, I think in California. Yeah, it's in California. I know there's a huge one in Connecticut, but the largest one in California is right out here called Pechanga. So if you like to, maybe catch a show or eat some nice restaurants and stuff like that, or even do a little bit of gambling, then you come on out here and go to Pechanga after you get your license with us. So yeah, Adventure Air, we're a full-time, full-service training center. We always have at least two or more flight instructors on staff. Right now we've got me, Torrance, you, Henry. We got another couple guys that are on standby. Noam, he can come out. And then I've got Mark Burton, he can come out. And these guys have lots and lots of experience. Some of them are multiple CFIs, CFI fixed wing, CFI rotorcraft helicopters, stuff like that. ATP guys as well. So we do have a lot of people that we have access to training, and we do have Jimmy likes to travel a lot too. So even if you can't come out to us and you have your own aircraft, we can send somebody out to you usually. So that's another positive reason why you would actually work with us at Adventure Air. We do have type certificated aircraft, gyroplanes from Auto Gyro. Auto Gyro is the only company that makes type certificated aircraft, factory built. So yeah, that's another bonus for that as well. We fly the Cavalon, the MTO. We have an ELA as well, and we even have a Calidus in the hangar right now that I brought down from Petaluma, and we're going to be delivering that to the customer here pretty soon, making sure that aircraft is all happy and ready to go for him. So when he starts his training out in Phoenix, then he's not going to have any issues. So. I got another thing too is we have a full staff of maintenance technicians. I have an AMP IA on staff, and we got Walter as well. Walter is our full service technician. He's been with us for 5 years and has a lot of knowledge about Rotax and Auto Gyro and ELA as well. Patrick works with us when he comes in from his second job, and I'm actually hiring somebody else as well. So we're going to have another person on staff to help us out with the workload that we do have. But usually our turnaround for routine maintenance is going to be about a week or two, depending on parts availability and all that stuff. But yeah, so we've had students come out locally from different parts of the state, from other states. We got students from Phoenix area, Utah, Salt Lake City area. We've had Iowa, Canada, Louisiana, Tennessee. They come out from everywhere. Not only have we come out from all over the country, they come out and fly from, was it Canada? We got Spain, South America, Germany, Australia. We've had a student come out from Australia and fly with us. So, we get a lot of people coming in that they love the weather. They love how we work things out here as far as our training schedules and stuff like that. And it's a really laid back but professional and safe location, for us to train in. And, we have the experience and we keep our aircraft, maintained really well. So there's no issues with that. So if you're thinking about coming out, make that decision. We got boarding available for you if you need a place to stay and you're on a budget. We'll work with you on that. We can provide accommodations as needed. So if you've been thinking about learning to fly a gyroplane, stop thinking about it and come see for yourself. The sunshine, the aircraft, the instructors, and the views, it's all here waiting for you. Your adventure doesn't start when the wheels leave the runway. It starts the moment you walk into the hangar. Come fly with us. All right? We'll see ya. See ya. See ya.